अरे दादा ब्लू टी शर्ट.
अजय सर यहाँ पे सामने.
International standard, the Sai International Marathon is being organized. Today we have with us Ajay Devgan here, who is going to be flagging off this very event on the 15th of October 2000. The Sai International Marathon is organized by the Sai Baba Sanstha, Trust Shirdi, Shirdi Nagarpalika, MTDC, and Champ Endurance. I have with me the Mayor of Shirdi. Right?
एकदम छान वाटतंय आणि बाबांच्या समाधीच्या म्हणजे 100 वर्षाच्या शताब्दीच्या निमित्ताने आम्हाला तो सोहळा बघायला मिळतोय. आमचं ते भाग्य आहे.
So I got that, and it's obviously mera bhi bhagya hai that we get to be a part of this. It's not just a marathon event, but then there is a message that through Sai International, agree with me that every distance, every mile, every kilometer that they run requires a lot of energy, and over and above requires a lot of patience. And that's the very message that the Sanstha would like to share globally, internationally with everybody, which is very, very important today. We also have Sir with us, who's a very big devotee of Shirdi Sai Baba. Sir, would you like to share a few words with us, please?
Hello, everybody. All I have to say is that since my childhood, I remember my father's been a very big devotee, and since I was a kid, we were taken to Shirdi once in 3 months or 6 months, and that's how my journey started, and then I kept going. More than me, today my father's 75 years old. He's not that well, and he tends to forget a lot of things. But one thing he never forgets, and every month once a month he wakes up in the morning, he says, I need to go to Shirdi. And he always goes there. And these guys really beautifully take care of him also, because he's been unwell. So that's been my connection since childhood. I've been going to Shirdi. I have my beliefs, and it gives me sort of a lot of peace. So when these guys came to me, first of all, I just want to say that they are very simple people. They've never done any such big function earlier. So when they came to me and they said, because we knew each other and because of everything, so they said that it's going to be 100 years and we need to do this marathon, and what do we do about it? They didn't even know. So it was just that because they're so simple. So I said that, I can give all my support to at least create the awareness, to reach out to you guys, and so that you guys can reach out to the people to let them know that it's going to be, it's 100 years this year, and this is what is happening. And this can only be done by the media's help. So that's why I'm here, and 15th of October, we're going to flag it off. So I've committed that I would go there. In fact, also, hopefully, with the whole team of my film releasing that month. So that would be also nice that we all go there and we flag it off.
Absolutely. Wow. Thank you so much. And we are going to be waiting for 15th of October. We would love to see you run, flag off the run, and do your bit with your entire film fraternity. You know what? I just cannot stop myself from saying this, and I have to say this. It might just be very inappropriate right now, but I have to say this to you. चौकी होगी पुलिस वालों की, लेकिन शहर के कमिश्नर तो हम ही हैं. And I love the way he says it. So can you please say it once?
I don't remember. Which film is this?
You don't remember? You want to take a guess? Oh wow. So I'm quizzing him on his film, right? So which movie do you think this can be?
Don't embarrass me. Just tell me.
Dua mein yaad rakhna.
Okay. Once Upon a Time.
Absolutely. That's right. Once Upon a Time in Mumbai, right?
I would I would say the other line, Dua
Dua
mein
mein
yaad
yaad
rakhna.
rakhna. Oh, that's my favorite too. Right. Thank you so much. All right. So we also have Mr. Abhay Shirke Patil with us. Sir, क्या आप कुछ information and ये साई मैराथन के बारे में कुछ ideas share करना चाहेंगे हमारे साथ please? कि ये
जरूर।
idea कैसे आया and
ओम साईराम।
ओम साई राम।
100 साल पूरे होने जा रहे, बाबा ने समाधि ली थी और जो सेंटेनरी ईयर है वो पूरे विश्व में सेलिब्रेट होना चाहिए। इसके लिए ये फर्स्ट इवेंट है। अभी साल भर हम बहुत सारे इवेंट लेने वाले, लेकिन दिस विल बी द फर्स्ट इवेंट विच इज़ गोइंग टू बी टेकन। एंड अजय जी ने पहले ही मीटिंग में बोल दिया कि चलो हम आते हैं, फ्लैग ऑफ करते हैं, तो हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है। और बाबा का जो संदेश है श्रद्धा सबूरी, वो पूरे विश्व में है, और वही संदेश पहुंचाने के लिए और सेंटेनरी ईयर का सेलिब्रेशन करने के लिए हमने प्रोग्राम रखा है।
Wow, thank you so much and very good message, श्रद्धा सबूरी। हम पूरे देश में ही नहीं but in the entire world we want to take this message very globally. आजकल के टाइम में it is very important कि श्रद्धा and सबूरी का होना बहुत बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। आजकल के यूथ में, बच्चों में that patience, that love, that commitment is very important. We also have Mr. Arvind Bijbay with us, the organizer. So we'd love to hear a few words from you.
Hello, everyone. First of all, I'll thanks all the media because you are the one who is going to make sure that we are reaching to the entire country. We already started the registration, and in first 24 hours, we got registrations for almost each and every state, which is very, very encouraging thing. And I also want to thanks Ajay ji. I mean, last time I met him also for marathon. We had another marathon in.
Yeah, I know Arvind because I think one of the biggest marathon organized was by him, which I attended. That was in Pune, and that was for breast cancer. And I would like you to tell them that what happened after you organized that marathon and how the awareness was created.
So, as Ajay says, Kajol Madam is a brand ambassador for that marathon, and he was there 3 years back. And that time we had one bus who was doing the all the free what do you call as in breast cancer awareness. Now we have 8 buses which is going to all over the slums, all over this thing, and that's the magic of the star, and that's the magic of the media. So we really need celebrities and the media to create an awareness. And as everyone's talk about here, the sports and spirituality goes hand in hand. That is where the whole idea. This is the first time in Shirdi the marathon is happening. The marathon is going to be at international standard. It will have a time event. It's a timing chip event, which will have a 42 kilometer, 21 kilometer, 10 kilometer, and also a Sai Dindi, which is 5 kilometer. So there are masses can participate. We are encouraging families to participate. That's the idea of keeping a Sai Dindi. And every participant is going to get a finisher, medal, T-shirt, everything which happens like any international marathon. That's it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Arvind. It's wonderful to see that we have different categories catering to the elite runners as well as first-time runners.
There's 5 steps also for people like them and me.
All right, so we have 5 steps as well, and the Sai Dindi, that's about 3 kilometers. All right, we also have, since this Sai International Marathon is going to be conducted in Shirdi, we have the CEO of the Shirdi Sanstha, Mrs. Rubal Agarwal. It'd be really nice if you could share a few words with us.
First of all, I welcome Ajay sir, all team of Pune Champ Endurance and all media. We welcome you all. Our trust is ready to celebrate centenary year from 1st October 2017 to 18 October 2018. We all, our trust, our all officers, we all are ready to welcome you. Welcome all side devotees, all runners, all sports person to Shirdi. Warm welcome to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. And yes, we are all waiting to go to Shirdi. All of us do go to Shirdi for the darshan. It's very pious, and coupled along with the marathon, it's going to be double fun, double the dhamaka, and double the blessings, I am sure.
Surely we will plan some good darshan arrangement for all runners who will complete marathon.
Thank you so much. That's very encouraging. We also have Bhosle sir with us. Please kindly share a few words with us.
First of all, I thank from bottom of my heart to Ajay ji for giving the commitment not just to come here, but also coming for the flag off. And I also pay my, thanks to Champ Endurance team for organizing this event. You are putting Shirdi. Shirdi is already a global place, but in area of faith, now you are making Shirdi known for a sport like marathon, which needs lot of faith and patience, which is also message of Sai Baba.
Correct.
Once again, I welcome you all in Shirdi, and on behalf of Shirdi Sansthan, I thank the organizers and Ajay ji specially. Thanks.
I'd also request Mr. Mahesh to kindly share a few words with us. Mangesh, I'm sorry.
ओम साई राम।
Om Sai Ram.
बाबा को समाधि लिए 100 साल पूरे हो रहे इस उपलक्ष्य में जो शिरडी में रन फॉर साई मैराथन रखी है, पूरे शिरडी में दुनिया भर के साईं भक्त यहाँ पर हाजिरी लगाने वाले, बाबा के दुआ आशीर्वाद लेने के लिए आने वाले। इसी उपलक्ष्य में हर महीने बहुत बड़े इवेंट्स शिरडी में होने वाले। तो इसकी शुरुआत 15 अक्टूबर को रन फॉर साई मैराथन से जो होने वाली है, इसके लिए हमने जो आमंत्रित किया अजय जी और उनके फैमिली को, इतने दिनों से बाबा के भक्त थे, हमने पहली बार जाते ही उन्होंने फट से 1 मिनट में उन्होंने हाँ कर दी और आने के लिए राज़ी हो गए। हम साईं बाबा ट्रस्ट शिरडी और शिरडी ग्रामस्थों की तरफ से उनका शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहता हूँ। थैंक यू सर।
Thank you so much. This event, the marathon, is also being supported by MTDC. At this moment, I would like to leave the floor open for questions by the media, in case you all have any questions.
अजय सर, अभी तो दौड़ना थोड़ा मुश्किल होता होगा सड़कों पे या बीच पे, थोड़ा अगर स्कूल कॉलेज की थोड़ी यादें अगर आप शेयर करेंगे, किस तरीके से आप रनिंग किया करते थे? या
ज़्यादा भागते थे जब लोग पीछे भागते थे तब मारने के लिए।
और साईं बाबा में आपकी कितनी आस्था है? आपने पिताजी के बारे में बताया,
जैसे
तो
मैंने बताया बचपन से आई थिंक वो इंस्टिल की गई है। बचपन से हम जाते रहे हैं और ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग पिछले काफ़ी टाइम से मैं जा नहीं पाया हूँ। तो आई थिंक जब ये आए तो आई ऑल्सो फेल्ट दैट आई शुड बी गोइंग। जैसे मैंने कहा कि मेरे डैड हर महीने जाते हैं वहाँ पे और रिलीजियसली जाते हैं, तो आई वुड वांट टू गो बैक देयर अगेन। Like I said, there are 5 steps for you and me.
Sir, according to you, how important is fitness?
I think it's the most important thing. Whatever job you're in, fitness is most important for your life, mentally and physically. If you're not fit, I don't think you can work, even if your work is to just sit on a chair and write. I think it keeps you going in every which way, and if you're not fit, you're not physically fit, you're not mentally fit.
Ajay, you said you're a man of belief. With that, are you a superstitious? And especially when your film is about to release, आप कुछ superstition में believe करते हैं?
I think superstition में सभी लोग believe करते हैं। कुछ लोग मानते हैं, कुछ लोग नहीं मानते हैं, लेकिन ज़रूर believe करते हैं। But एक दायरा होता है, एक limit होती है। I think उस दायरे के अंदर इंसान को रहना चाहिए। और ऐसा नहीं है कि मेरी फिल्म रिलीज़ हो रही है तो मैं जाऊँगा। कई बार when I go to Ajmer also, तो लोग लिखते हैं कि फिल्म के वक्त जा रहे हैं। आप देखिए, मैं उस वक्त नहीं जाता। मैं जब मेरा दिल करे मैं जाता हूँ।
हेलो, या देयर इज इंटरनेशनल मैराथन है, तो बहुत सारे फॉरेन से भक्त आएंगे साई भगवान की, तो उस हिसाब से इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर एकोमोडेशन के लिए आपने कुछ ज़्यादा इंतज़ाम किया है? बिकॉज देयर विल बी अ ओवरवेलमिंग रिस्पांस। अभी अजय जी भी इसमें ये मीडिया के लिए प्रमोशन कर रहे, तो देयर विल बी अ एक्सेलेंट रिस्पांस फ्रॉम इंटरनेशनल NRIs एज वेल एज फॉरेनर्स एंड ऑल, तो उसके लिए आपने क्या एक्स्ट्रा इंतज़ाम किया है?
हम सब करने वाले हैं, अभी नहीं हुआ है अभी तक, लेकिन तैयारी हमारी शुरू हो गई है। सब इंटरनेशनल वगैरह सब खिलाड़ियों के लिए, सब भक्तजनों के लिए, सबके लिए हो गया है।
As it is, Shirdi has many starred hotels which are equipped to host most, superstar players. So please don't worry about it. Even Sun and Sand has a place in Shirdi. So yeah, so
And already we have
I think this function, Sun and Sand, is organized on its own without even taking anything, charging anything. Yeah, we all should be.
And we
Thank
already
you, sir
have
and son. Thank you.
58,000 persons night stay facility with Sanstha and all hotels.
Absolutely. And to just reaffirm, I was told offline that on an average, in a day, Shirdi sees a minimum of 55,000 devotees who come and visit Shirdi on a daily basis. So on Thursdays and Sundays, that number goes up to almost 1 lakh. All right, so they are not just equipped for us, but they are equipped doubly for us. Right?
मैराथन के विनर्स को क्या-क्या प्राइज दिए जाएंगे?
Prize we're going to announce soon. There will be there's a category of 42 kilometer, 21 kilometer, and 10 kilometer. Those are competitive category. There will be a open category as well as a senior category, and all the winners, all the podium finishers will be announced some prize very soon, very shortly. Thank you.
All right, it's time for the last question.
Hi Ajay, what is spirituality to you?
That's a tough question. I don't know. The deeper you dig, you get confused. So spirituality is, I think, being your own, being honest, believing in whatever is within yourself, basically yourself. So if we talk about Sai Baba also, I think he's a part of you. He's inside you. So when you believe in yourself, you believe in.
Means as you don't get enough time for, how you connect with God day to day. That's what I was asking.
You don't need time for that. You can always be connected with whatever power you believe in.
अजय सर, आपसे मेरा एक सवाल है कि पिछले कई दिनों से गुजरात हो या आसाम हो, वहाँ पे काफ़ी फ्लड आ रहा है, तो आप कुछ अपील करना चाहेंगे आपके फैंस को, कुछ डोनेशन किया जाए?
जी बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. इनफैक्ट ये हम लोग करने ही वाले थे आजकल में, बट डेफिनेटली अपील करना चाहूँगा कि हम अपनी तरफ से जो सपोर्ट दे सकते हैं वो देंगे, और अगर बाकी जितने लोग हैं वो सब भी कर सकें तो आई थिंक बहुत अच्छा होगा, क्योंकि वहाँ बहुत तकलीफ है.
Thank you so much everybody. Thank you for your
Thank you.